Video will help you install the software for the Aware Plain Paper Scanner for use with assessments in Aware. The help files for this information are located on our Aware website. To get to that website, you go to Departments, open A through C, and click on Aware. We have a lot of different help files here to help you with Aware information, but if you scroll about halfway down the page, there is a link that's called Create and Scan Assessments, and that's where the scanning help files are located. If you click on this link, we're going to follow these steps here, which are the initial installation of the Brother scanner, which is a one-time process. You don't have to repeat these steps after you have installed the scanner. You will be ready to scan your assessments each time after doing this process. So the first two steps we're going to do are steps 1 and 2. We're going to go to the Software Center and download the Brother drivers, and we're also going to download the School Objects Plain Paper Scanner. I usually find my Software Center by going to the search bar in the lower left-hand corner of my computer, and I type in Software and click on Software Center. In the search box, I'm going to type in Aware and hit enter. And then there will usually be 3 different options that will come up on the screen. This first option is not related to Aware in any way. It's actually the second 2 options that you want to install. When I click on Brother drivers, mine's already installed, so I don't have the option to install, but you will click install. And if I click on applications again, I can go ahead and click on School Objects and start installing that one as well. While these are installing, I'm just going to minimize my Software Center, and I'm actually going to do steps 3 and 4 while that software installation is happening in the background. So we're actually going to open another tab now. I'm going to type in eduforia.neisd.net, or if you prefer, you can go to the Launchpad. I'm going to sign in to Eduforia. I'm going to click on My Profile here at the bottom. And this is where, if you have not updated your profile this year, you can go ahead and make that update now. Once you've updated your profile, you're going to click on App Passwords. And you want to click Create New. When you click Create New, you just need to give this password a name that's related to Aware. It could be Aware Assessments. It could be Aware Scanner. It doesn't matter. It could just be Aware. Name it something that makes sense to you. And then you're going to click Create. Okay. When you click Create, you're actually going to get 3 different pieces of information that you're going to need to finish the software installation. This server, your username is your email address, and this password is unique to the Aware scanner. It is not something you can change. It's not something you can personalize. And in fact, if you click Close, it's not a password you can even access again. You would have to go through the Create New process. So now, on our steps, we are ready for step 5 of the initial setup of the scanning software. Make sure that you have this information readily available, whether you copy and paste it into an email to yourself, into a Google Doc. I like to just leave mine sitting in the background. And I'm going to go to my search bar again, and this time I'm going to type in Aware. And I'm going to choose the Aware Plain Paper Scanner. I do not want the one that's called Aware Plain Paper Scanner Twain. That one is not the appropriate software, and you will get an error message. So once you launch the Aware Plain Paper Scanner, yours is going to look a little different than mine because I've already installed my software. When you click the Next button, you're going to have the option to enter the server information. Just highlight, copy, and paste that information on your next screen. Then you will have the opportunity to enter, go back, your username and your password. Again, just copy your username or type in your email address, paste it here in this box, copy your 16-letter password. You will paste it in the password box, and then you will hit next. When you get to step 2, if you're not plugged into the scanner, then you're done. You can just close the screen and you have finished the installation process. If you are trying to scan assessments, now is when you will actually need to plug in the white USB cord from the Brother scanner itself. You will place your answer documents face up, name first on the scanner, and you will hit the next button. I'm going to hit the next button just to show you what happens when you're not plugged in. You will get this error message because it's trying to find the scanner itself. So if you ever get this error message, it's usually because you're not plugged into the scanner may not be turned on, or there's usually some kind of issue that's a quick fix. If you have any questions, my name is Tiffany Arce. You can feel free to email me at tarce@neisd.net, and I hope this helps. Thanks.